Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Nissan Rogue. First, gather your essential tools: a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. You'll also need about 8 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Before starting, make sure your engine is slightly warm but not hot. This helps the oil drain more easily. Always prioritize safety by using jack stands if lifting the vehicle. Now let's get that old oil out. Carefully slide your drain pan under the oil drain plug, which is usually located at the bottom of the oil pan. Using your 14mm wrench, slowly loosen the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing once the plug is removed. Let it drain completely, which might take several minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a quarter turn more. Finally, pour approximately 8 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine. After refilling, replace the oil fill cap securely and double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to properly dispose of the old oil. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.